Hello everyone, this is Reena here again. I have another set of question paper for your tiny one. This time I have included vowels and consonant from k to ng. And here we have the second set of question paper. This is for 25 marks and we have only 4 Roman letters. The first one is write R to aha. I prepared this question paper based on the child's level. As I said before, the paper should not be so lengthy one. They should not feel hard while seeing the paper. This is the second question. Write the first letter for the given pictures. It's again a very familiar pictures. So may ask them to write the first letter for the pictures given. And this is for 6 marks. This is the third question. Match. The child should match the picture with the letter. Since it is a language paper, we always prepare a question in such a way that it should be the easiest one, not a logical or it is an IQ based question. We are conducting exams to make our child thorough the letters and the sounds and the pictures. So that we should prepare a question paper in such a way that it should not be too lengthy one and should not be a hard questions. This is our fourth question. Draw the picture for the given letters. We have given letters and the boxes given in front of it. Ask your child to draw a picture in whatever way they want, but should be the correct one. So ask your child to draw the picture and complete the paper. These are the things you should keep it in your mind before giving these question papers to your tiny one. The number one, if your child is not ready to read the question paper, you can read the question papers to them. The second thing is, give them enough time. Don't give them a time limit like half an hour or 1 hour something. Let them take their own time and complete it. The third point is, you should give the question paper only after they complete and they are thorough with the letters and the sounds. The last and very important thing is, after completing the exam, if they are making any mistakes, please do not scold them. Just correct it and give them lot of practice the areas where they made mistakes. So I'll see you soon with the next set of question paper. So take care. Bye bye.